Hey guys, this is Brian with Texas Treasures, bringing you my daily Bolo Buzz. What sold for me recently on eBay, Poshmark, and other sites. And these are items that you can find to sell also for good profit on these sites. I find items at garage sales, thrift stores, storage unit auctions, and I sell them mostly online for profit and make healthy profit doing that. And I make these videos to help you be able to find them as well. So if you like this type of content, please hit that red subscribe button below. Also smash the like button, that helps me out. And feel free to comment below. Let's get straight into it. Okay, and the other thing is about these videos, make sure you stick around to the very end because I do start at the lowest priced item and I finish with the highest priced item. So make sure you stick around to the end so you'll know the most valuable items to find when you're out sourcing. All right, first up here we have a Poshmark sell. Here we have a pair of men's Nike dry fit golf pants, size 38 by 32. I remember I picked these up at a thrift store for $1. And they sold for $20 on Poshmark. And after the Poshmark's fees, which are 20%, it left me a profit of $14.90. So Nike golf pants. If you see them, if you can get them cheap enough, pick them up. All right, next sell, moving up the ladder, we have an eBay sell. Here we have a pair of Levis 569 loose fit straight jeans, size 34 by 34. Picked these up, I believe these were at a garage sale for buck and a half, and they sold on eBay. Now, when I sell items on eBay, I do charge shipping. I'm curious, do you guys charge shipping or do you offer free shipping? I've heard both sides of that. Comment down below. Tell me, do you offer free shipping or do you charge shipping? I personally do charge shipping. I also use Pirate Ship, and if you select the cubic shipping, which if you select create an account, select that poly bag, it will give you the cheapest shipping, and it's good for clothing. So I usually make a couple of dollars shipping. Remember, shipping and handling, I'm good with that, and it also helps offset the cost of returns. As we all inevitably know, returns are part of business. It's going to happen. So you might want to consider using Pirate Ship. Anyway, I made $15.90 profit on these jeans. Levi's sell well. All right, now next, these are from my last storage unit that I purchased. I paid, what did I pay for that? $70 for that storage unit. And if you want to see that video, I do have a series of videos where I film me going through my storage units. Check that out in my playlist. But that storage unit had tons of brand new Nikes in it, and a lady on eBay bought two pair of these women's Nike Celso flip-flop sandals. Now, here it shows two sold. She bought both of them. Did pay for shipping, so they sold for $31.94 for including the shipping, leaving a profit of $23.51. Remember, I only paid $70 for the entire unit. Probably had 50 or 60 pair of shoes. I don't even have them all listed yet, guys. Plus hundreds and hundreds of Nike headbands and other things. I'm still trying to get all that stuff listed. Storage units are the bomb. All right, next. And I believe this is the last item from yesterday's sell. Here's the sell of the day, guys. So this on Bonanza, and I've told you before in my previous videos, if you haven't set up a Bonanza account, you're missing out. You can sync it directly to your eBay. It syncs, I believe it syncs daily, and so it's very low maintenance. They charge, you can set it up on different rates. I set up on a 9% commission rate, and this sold on Bonanza for $49.64. That does include the shipping. That charge, I think I charged $19.95 shipping for this. And guitars, the Guitar Hero guitars do really well, guys. And you'll find these pretty often. You can find them at garage sales, thrift stores, estate sales. I believe I picked this one up at a garage sale for $3 a couple months back. This is the Red Octane Les Paul wireless one. And like I said, made $36.98, guys. So be sure to be on the lookout for these Guitar Hero guitars. They can bring in good money. Which brings me to my totals. Had total sales of $126.53, an average sale price of $31.63 on the 4 items, profit of $91.29, a profit margin of 72%. I love it when I'm able to hit the 70% plus on the profit margin. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, hit that red subscribe button. If you are subscribed, go ahead and hit the bell button to be notified when new videos are dropped. Be the first to know. And once again, smash that like button and comment below. Either your most recent sale, or I'm curious about the free shipping versus paid shipping. What do you do? Free or paid shipping? Comment below. Well, that's it for today, guys. Happy treasure hunting when you're out there sourcing. And until tomorrow, we'll see you.